So in this short little video, we're going to learn how to use punch tool. It's very neat, very cool, and very useful. Just bear in mind all the small things that I let you know in this video because they are all important for this feature. Thanks guys. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video. I just wanted to ask you, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to make it easier for me to share my content with you guys in the future, and it will make it so that you don't miss anything. Cool. So obviously if we're going to punch, we need a punch tool. So the first thing we're going to do is create a punch tool. I've already created one, which I just want to show you guys. So this is just a normal louver tool. So obviously depending on the dimensions of your louver that you need and want, you design this extrusion. And then the most important part is this surface here. Okay, because that's what you're going to align your punch with. This can be thinner, this can be 5mm, 3mm, 1mm. I've made this one 10, so it's fine, I'm happy with that. I'm only going to use the front reference here anyway. So then we're going to go back to our part. Now a neat little thing is, if I click on my punch tool right here, you'll see the pattern, the flat pattern will go back to suppressed version or suppressed state, which is because we need to punch it in its fully formed state and then it will go flat. So let's click on here, and as you see, there it is there. So I've already selected my tool there on the previous one, but let me just show you how you do it. You just click on this little window here. You're going to click on your louver tool, say open. Okay, now there's two ways to do it. You can do it like this, where it's giving you this next to this, or if I click window in window, it will give it to me like this. Then I can select there and all my surfaces. But if I don't want to do it like that, see, if I do that, it will take that one away. But if I don't want that one, I click on that one and I remove that one, and then it gives me this tool. So okay, so to begin, as always, your placement, we are going to click this surface here. Then we are going to click the back of the sheet metal there. Okay, then we're going to select this face here, and we're going to select here, flip. Okay, and then we're going to select this face here and this face here. Okay, but now this one I want to do offset a little bit, so we're going to go up here to about there, so call it 30. Okay, like that. And we're going to say okay. Well, first we're going to go options. Then we're going to click on here for exclude that surface. Then we're going to click on this, because this is where we want the open space over there, as you can see there. Then we're going to say okay. Okay, sorry. First, let's just go back here. Edit definition. Okay. Our direction was the wrong way, so flip the punching direction. And then we say okay. And then it will work. So if we go, so now, as you can see there in your flat pattern, there's your louver. So all we're going to do is we're going to suppress this again. Okay, and now I need to pattern this, so we're going to go edit, pattern. We're going to say confirm. I'm going to say direction, click here. We're going to go this way, we're going to go 100. Okay, we're going to go 3. Okay, and then we're going to say okay. And then we have 3 louvers over here. But now, as you can notice there, our tool has made an issue there. So all I have to do now is I need to go back to my tooling. Okay, so we're going to go open, we're going to go tooling, punch tool louver, so open. We are going to change this block, so we're going to go sketch, edit definition, we're going to make this 85, enter, make this 42.5, or if you really want to, you can go over here to your tools and make it symmetrical. Then we can just remove that and say okay, okay, and say save. Okay, now if we go back to our part, we go edit, regenerate. As you see there, that little dent is gone now. Okay, so there's your louvers now. If I did not want these open spaces here, if I just wanted to create a dent, all I have to do is go back to my form, not your pattern, your form, say edit definition. I go to my options here, I can remove the surface. Okay, well, we said that one was that one, but we're going to remove that. I'm going to say okay, placement first, because now our placement has changed. I'm going to go there, there. Our mate is going to be there, and we're going to say okay. Now notice there's no opening, okay, which is a bit unrealistic, obviously, because your sheet metal would not move like that, but I suppose not impossible. Okay, so again we go back here, we say form, edit definition, options, click here, select that face, and we say okay, and there it will give you your open louvers. Okay, so now the other thing is I just want to mirror. I'm going to click there, I'm going to say okay, and we have mirrored. I'm going to hide these, hide, hide. Now we've mirrored our louvers. Okay, so now worst case, if you go back to your flat pattern and you say resume, as you can see there are my louvers. Easy. So that is your punch tool. You just have to be clever about the way you're making your tool. Yeah, as long as your tooling is correct, you shouldn't have an issue by doing this to your sheet metal parts. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope it's helpful, and let me know if you need any help with anything else. Thanks guys. Hey guys, quick favor, if this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one guys.